There are so many ways to spruce up your old boring coasters you had for years that do not go with your decor anymore. My name is Karen from Rustic River Home, and I will show you how easy it is to use IOD paint inlays to create a new look to suit your decor. I'm starting off by painting the old coasters with Fusion's Victorian lace, and it will require 2 to 3 coats to cover the old design. Once it's dry, I will lay down the sheets of paint inlays I've already cut out. I will need to paint one more generous layer of paint, and while it's still wet, position the design face down and grid side up onto the coaster. I'm smoothing out the wrinkles, and you can also use a brayer for this, but because it's a small area, I'm just using my hand. I'm now spritzing the inlays with water to activate the paint inlay, and I will leave it to dry completely. The paint inlay is completely dry now. You will not be able to remove the paper without wetting it, so I've already spritzed the paper once again and waited a few seconds for the paper to soften for easy removal. I'm peeling it back slowly and carefully. I don't want to tear it because it can be used for a second time. All you have to do is let it dry and store it as usual. I'm just using a matte lacquer spray I got from the craft store to seal the design before I use a brush to apply a top coat. The reason for this is because any moisture will reactivate the paint, and if you use a brush, it could smudge. You can also give a light spray with a mixture of half water and half top coat in a spray bottle. I'm using Pentart's pouring glaze as a top coat, and this glaze can be applied with a brush or it can be poured on for a glossier effect. IOD's paint inlays are easy to use and available in many different designs on my website at rusticriverhome.com.au. Thank you for watching, and please leave a comment or give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to follow me for more DIY projects. Till next time.